Welcome to the Enerpac Academy. We are the Enerpac Academy, Enerpac's in-house training program that offers tool operators and maintenance staff the opportunity to be trained in the safe use and maintenance of industrial tools. Operating these tools requires sound knowledge of how they work and how they should be maintained. The correct use of these high-powered tools increases safety and reduces risk for both the operator and the environment where the tools are used. We have Enerpac Academy Training Centers around the world that manage and deploy training in a variety of ways. Our team is highly experienced and are true experts in Enerpac products. Why do they deploy training in a variety of ways? Because we want you to have the information when and where you need it. Enerpac knows that some information needs to be easily accessible at any time. This might include tips on tool operation or basic maintenance and troubleshooting. For these topics, Enerpac Academy videos are available around the clock from our YouTube channel or enerpac.com. Other information and training require detail, such as application and sales training, or learning how to navigate the broad Enerpac portfolio. This is why the Enerpac Academy eLearning platform features dozens of training modules that can be accessed on demand and will keep you prepared for your job. Lastly, some topics require discussion, demonstration, and hands-on engagement with Enerpac tools. Virtual and in-person classroom programs offer detailed service and sales training as your opportunity to engage directly with our Enerpac experts, ask questions, and see Enerpac tools close up. We want you to be as safe and efficient as possible when using our tools. So whether you operate, maintain, or sell industrial tools, we encourage you to engage with us and learn more about the Enerpac Academy training at enerpac.com. Stay tuned for more videos from Enerpac Academy, and thanks for watching.